In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit services on Fresha using our comprehensive step-by-step 2025 guide. Whether you're fine-tuning service details or revamping your entire selection, it's important to keep your offerings up to date to reflect your business accurately. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into Fresha Partner. This can be done through the Fresha Partner app on either iOS or Android devices or by visiting the Fresha Partner website. Once there, sign in using your business account credentials to access your dashboard. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your business on Fresha. Once you're logged in, head over to the main menu. Here, you'll find options labeled Menu or Settings, which are generally located in an easy-to-navigate spot. Tap on either and then select Services. This will display a list of your current service categories and items, making it easy to view everything you have listed under your business. Next, you'll want to choose the specific service you wish to edit. Browse through your list to find the service you're looking to update. Once you've located it, tap on the pencil icon, which is typically labeled Edit. This action will allow you to open the service details for making changes. Now, you're in the service editing mode and it's time to make your desired updates. There are several aspects you can adjust here. You might want to update the service's name, especially if there's been a rebranding effort. Consider reorganizing by changing the category, perhaps moving it under a different group like haircuts or facials. If the amount of time required for the service has changed, adjust the duration accordingly. Ensure your pricing is current as well. This is the perfect opportunity to select or update the team members who offer this service to ensure everything is accurate. You can also decide the online visibility of the service, deciding whether it should be bookable online or not. Lastly, refine the description to make it as clear and appealing as possible to potential clients. After you've made all your updates, it's crucial to save your changes. Simply tap Save. Once saved, your service details will refresh instantly in your calendar and on your client booking page, ensuring that everything is fully synchronized and up to date. And there you have it. Editing services on Fresha is a straightforward process. Keeping these elements updated not only ensures smooth operation, but also enhances your client's booking experience. By regularly reviewing and updating your services, you help maintain a professional image that accurately reflects your business. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.